How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be a update on my motorcycle group build hosted by Cliff and Jamie, and an update on a commission build for my buddy Doane Yawger, which I haven't really been filming on that, but I'll show you where I've gotten done on that one at the end of the motorcycle part. But before I do, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. This little redneck from Arkansas will never charge you nothing, guys. It's free. I don't need support to grow, whatever, guys. Anybody that I mention in my videos will always be in the description below. And with that being said, y'all know Mr. Terry, he passed away, guys. So still show support for his family. There's still a GoFundMe out there for him, funeral and everything, guys. He was a part of this community, and he'll be greatly loved and missed, guys. All right, with that being said, pray for everybody in our community that needs prayer, and there's a lot of people that do. All right, guys. That being said, let me show you. Okay, this is the motorcycle that I am working on right here. Y'all remember, it is Yamaha Grand Prix 350, and this little thing is missing some parts, and I knew that when I got the kit it was missing one part, and I got to putting it together to mock up and stuff, and realized one of the major parts was missing. But that's not going to stop this little redneck right here. I'll show y'all here in a minute while I've gotten done to that. And then too, my buddy Doane Yawger, he's up there in age and he can't build no more, and he's always hit me up to build him something and this and that, and I say, yeah, in my spare time I will, here and there. And this is one I'm building for him, and I'm pretty close to getting this one done. I'm sorry, guys, that I have not made videos. I've been pretty sick. Y'all know that here lately. I've not felt good. Sick, having to work, and you know, a lot of things going on, and it's just what little bit of time I've had to work on stuff, I just worked on it. I haven't been filming nothing right now, but I am starting to feel better, guys. I'm really starting to feel good. But with that being said, I want y'all to know that things around here might change just a little bit, because my job is doing away with our 12-hour shifts, and that's what I do. I work 12-hour shifts. It helps out with my wife's infusions, treatments and everything and stuff, and doctor's appointments and all that stuff. Well, with that being said, they're doing away with that, and there will be no more 12 hours. So I'm going to a regular 8-hour shift, 5 days a week, maybe 6 days a week, whatever. You guys know how that works. But I'm not going to stay on day shift, because with my wife's doctor's appointments, her treatments and all that, always during the day, and I'd be missing all the time. See, because with the 12-hour shift, I worked alternate days and this and that, and I had days off in between, and we would schedule all treatments and this and that on my days off. Well, going to a regular 8-hour crew 5 days a week, you know, blah blah blah, all doctor appointments are always during the day and stuff. Second shift won't work for me, because that's still the same situation, because when I take her to her treatments and stuff, day shift or second shift's not working for me. So I'm going to a third shift, guys. Yeah, I've been out there too long to do that. I've been out there a long time, guys, 26 years, to go to third shift, but that's what's going to work for me. That's what I have to do for my wife. I love her, and things have got to, you know, that's what I got to do. I got to step up and do it. I just might do without a little bit of sleep here and there on days that I take her, but, you know, her treatments are 2 hours away from where I live, and a lot of times the doctor's appointments are couple hours away, this and that. Y'all know the deal, and I'm not going to bore you with it no more. But yeah, I'll be going to a third shift starting April 1st. No, it's not April Fool's joke. So videos will be hit and miss here and there, guys, you know, and there might not be a whole lot of time to respond to a lot of people and stuff, and I'm going to apologize right now. It's just going to be, you know, until I can get used to things and everything, but that's just wanted y'all to know. All right, love you guys. Let's pause this out, take you over here, show you what I got going on. I'm not going to show you on my bench. My bench is always a mess, and I know y'all can't stand looking at my bench, so I'm going to take you over here and show you what I got going on. All right, guys, this is the motorcycle I'm working on. You know that. Let's pull it out of the way and show you what I've got going on. All right, all I am is in the mock-up stage right now. I've been sanding, glued the two halves of the tank together. I've been sanding that, trying to get what of that seam out I can. I might not be able to hide it all, and I'm not really going to worry about it so much because this is a vintage, really old kit, and it is what it is. The way it turns out is the way it's going to turn out, which it'll be all right, but it ain't going to be no show winner or nothing like that. You can see how dull the chrome is and stuff, which this is all going to be painted anyway. That's the reason why I masked this off right here. I'm going to leave this piece chrome, and then I'm going to paint all that aluminum. Here is the head. You can see the resin cast, where I resin cast part of the head. That was what was missing, and I made my own piece. There's the two carburetors. I'm going to paint this as one solid piece, pick out all the details on it, and that will sit on top of the engine just like this, as you can see. And then here's the other side of the engine, which I can't put on until I get the chain and all the stuff, you know, going through there and everything. So, and then I'm the same way here. I'm going to paint it aluminum and then have that chrome, just that little cover right there. Here is my frame. I've got it glued together. I've kept it to where I can pull that apart to put the forks in there. That's all I've gotten done so far on that. Just doing cleanup on it and everything. And this here will set. I'm going to get it up in there. We'll set up in there like that. Connect right there. I've glued all my parts to my seat, which will go right here. And then connect up there, and you can see right there it's going to look like that. Of course, you know, it'll all get painted and everything. But and here's my front headlight, and the speedometer and stuff will go right there, and of course the chrome bucket will go in there and everything. Of course, all this is going to get painted like box art. It's going to be the red. I've started on the front suspension. Yeah, that chrome's all dull and stuff, but I'm going to black wash it anyway and use it. Like I said, parts I've had to make, and here we go. This is, all right, this part right here is missing on the other side. You can see I've scratched built apart. I've still got to clean it up a little bit better, but you can see it's kind of almost the same, but not quite. But it's going to be all right once it gets painted up. Of course, that'll go on there like that. Maybe. Oh. Let's get this in there. All right, let's pop that in there. There we go. All right, you can see right there. Once it gets painted, it's going to be red, the metallic red. So it's not going to be that bad noticeable, but it is noticeable for those who, because I just told you. But hey, there ain't some bad scratch building for a part that didn't exist. It's not there. And then of course that will go to that, you know, and it'll still turn. But yeah, sometimes you got to do that in model building, guys. Sometimes you got to make your own parts. Here's the little side covers. Got a couple of them that go on the sides. And of course everything else is still got to get painted. Everything's got to be prime painted. Y'all know the deal on all that. Let's move all that out of the way. All right. Now the next build is Doane Yawger, buddy of mine. This is what I'm building for him. Show that to you again. It's the Revell 1950 Club Coupe, and I'm kind of building it like the box art right there. Let's just throw that over there. Here is the body. I've got it painted. It's got a little dust all over it, guys. Sorry about that. All I got to do now is chrome foil it, clear it, and put a wet sand on it. I did a color sand on it, and I cleared it, put 2 coats of clear on it here. But I'm going to chrome foil everything. It's got a lot of chrome. So I'm going to chrome foil it, hit it with a couple more coats of clear, let that dry, and I'll probably wax it out. That might be what I do. I don't know if I'll color sand it anymore or not. I'll probably just wax it out. But there's that. It's going to look pretty good. Here is the hood. Boy, you can see the gold flake in that. You can see, boy, she's a little filthy though. She's going to be beautiful. Put that over there. I've got all the wheels. I still have to put the hubcaps and the beauty rings on them. But there are the wheels. All 4 wheels. Look at there. Set those out of the way. Let's put one of them up on here. Show you how nice that's going to look. Look at that. Boy, she's gonna be beautiful. All right, and then here's the hubcaps. I have got them micro set. That way they form to the hubcap, and then I put a dab of clear over the top of them to give them that shine. And I put gold in the emblem right there, and then I put clear over the top of that. But yeah, now here's the interior. I flocked the carpet, 2-tone grayed it. There is the dash. You can see I put the emblem in there, put the clear cover over it, cleared it. Same thing with the dash there, the speedometer. It's got clear over it. See the pedals down there. You can see I got the chrome foil and stuff done on the door cards, the carpet. Here is the engine. I wired the engine up. Got the coil. Now the coil didn't show to put it there. I put it there because that's where I liked it. Showed it on the engine block, but I put it there. I liked it. This piece right here was missing, so I had to kind of scratch build my own piece. It's not the best, but it was missing. It was also missing a one of the little metal pieces for the wheels to hold in, but I had to pin it. Here is the underneath. See right there. This one here I didn't rust up or do none of that. I think I'm just going to leave it and just build it pretty much box stock. But there you go, guys. Sorry for such a long video. Like I said, I've been sick. Everything going on and stuff. It is what it is, guys. We love you. Bye.